will show you how to defeat the boss. And it's really cool because I've actually got a new weapon.
Really?
I am a thingy my bobby. I don't know. Oh, hey, you have to film the TV.
I am, but I'm filming it as well.
How you doing that?
Playing the game. What else? What you doing on there now?
I'm defeating the boss. It's actually this. Watch. It freezes the enemies.
Really?
And then you can get another weapon and then shoot the enemy. And there's the boss. He's frozen and I'm scared. That boss is so stupid. Look at him.
It's coming.
Ow! What the?
Oh, how Cliff and
And I can comb the phone right now. Okay.
so what do you have to do with these ones?
Throw my hammer at it. There we go. And now, I don't know where I'm gonna go, but I'm just gonna see where I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna go up here and do that. And now I'm gonna go in here and
Where's the?
we're gonna go near to Zircon, but we're not actually gonna go there. We're gonna go somewhere, but I don't know where.
Okay.
I'm gonna try. Bye, guys. It's the end of my video.